kular hakan ikasni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hop do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manu Snem daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission ke lapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kod bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kray api na kabenda ka neat.
Kowe ke Samla ke bala tip kerteng kong ke Pritina CH Moment ke bala arpu Snem kereta ke lajaan adu ke kendai tere ujulio arja apun rio. Hau korwa bala pha do Superintendent of Police East Khas Hills bala Pyntip bagani ke Samla ke donya gerenyang ke bejrong sanput ke dur khmat ke basai ki khmat rong keti usnyu bejrong bat ke keren dah ketin Hindi bat garu. La Pyntip bagani ke Samla ke phong de t-shirt rong blue bat ke patulun rong yong. Ha kowe pat ke jingjang kowe ke Longkmie ke bala South Snem kereta bala tip kerteng ke Bobby Dorji kelajaan dulu ke arteri ujulio arja apun rio nanong ba shalong kini ke Longkmie ke donya gerenyang ke bejrong sanput lain shi kadur khmat ke basai bat pelun usnyu ubeyong bat gre ka keren de ketin Nepali bat Hindi bat ke deru ke bejamsur kini ke Longkmie ke phong de skirt ke churidar rong jerngam ke sweater rong ksiar bat ke sandal rong yong USP ula karpa ikini ke bedonjing tip ne Ïohi yakini ke arngot kim Pyntip shaki Pulit hapok ke police control room henrio not khandai Ïohi khandai henrio sau hinyo khandai officer in charge laban PS how number khandai lai henrio ar pra san not R. Officer in charge like Mukra PS how number pra khandai nyo sao khandai san khandai rio. But have a missing desk crime branch how number pra lai nyo R pra R Ïohi sao.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Stem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Stem's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is Stem's, our ride, our future.